high life legendary Ofori Amponsah. He has made some revelations, and he's saying Ghanaian artists' love for foreign content has put Nigeria ahead. Now, Ghanaian high life artist Ofori Amponsah has called on Ghanaian musicians to be original and tell the Ghanaian story. According to the high life artist, Ghanaian performers enjoy doing songs that aren't benefiting the music industry. He made a statement while speaking with Graphic Showbiz, and he said, "We like to do too much for foreign stuff, which is not really helping our industry. As we speak now, Nigerians have taken over from us musically because we left our authentic high life and are copying other genres," he noted. His statement comes after Shatta Wale made a similar comment on December 23rd, 2021 at the Freedom concert. And now the Shatta movement boss, during his Freedom concert on December 21st, decided to pour his thoughts during his performance, which annoyed many Nigerians for what they thought was rude and disrespectful. Into also Asama Owoho, Onion Ewoho.